dear parents, we can never forget the three great kings of Maharashtra. First, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, second, Shahu Maharaj, and the third Maharaj Sayajirao Gaikwad.
Oh, that's great. But in his book, Sachin has written educationalist Sayajirao Maharaj.
Yes, that's true. Maharaj Sayajirao belonged to the royal Gaikwad dynasty of Marathas, which ruled the parts of present-day Gujarat. Basically, he was born to a Gopal Rao farmer belonging to the poor family. He was then adopted by the royal Gaikwad dynasty and named as Sayaji Rao.
A child who never went to school got the best education after he came to Baroda in 1931 as a prince. There he made remarkable reformation in the field of education. He established compulsory free primary education throughout his state, leading to a threefold increase in school during his rule. Not only this, he pioneered India's library movement, founding the Central Library of Baroda in 1931 with his personal collection.
Sayaji Rao Maharaj took utmost effort to promote education, especially for those who could not go to school. Sayaji Rao Maharaj worked on the concept during his reign. He made the education compulsory for the children. And do you know, a fine of ₹2 was taken from the parents who did not send their children to the school. To motivate reading and schooling, he started the first mobile library at that time.
Being a king, his contribution towards the field of education is remarkable. Passion for the literacy and education made him do it. The greatness of his work is precious.
So dear parents, let us pay a tribute to the great education reformer Sayaji Rao Gaikwad and watch the dynamic performance dedicated to education on wheels. So, what is education?
Education is giving equal opportunities to all.
भारतवर्ष में प्रारंभ से ही बच्चों को ईश्वर का रूप माना जाता है। ईश्वर के बाल रूप यथा बाल गणेश, बाल गोपाल आदि इसके प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण हैं। लेकिन आज की तस्वीर इससे बिल्कुल अलग है कीमती बच्चे फिर भी क्यों नंगे पैर ये सड़कों पर भीख मांगते हैं। अपनी किस्मत की रेखा चूटे बर्तनों में घिसते हैं। घर बाजार वासना के हाथों रोज बिकते हैं। हम रोज ये सुनते, पढ़ते और देखते और सो जाते हैं।
होणारा होताला जाणारा जाताला मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको येईल दिवस तुझाही मानसा जिगर सोडू नको तुझ्या हाती आहे डाव सारा इसार गजल कालची रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे
सोबती रे तू तुझाच अन तुला तुझीच साथ शोधुनी तुझी तू वाट चाल येतना सोडू दे जरा उशीर सोड दोस काय धीर काल संपदा पहाट होई रे पुन्हा
हो देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे फाटक्या झोळीत येऊन पडते रोजची नवी निराशा सपान गाठीला धरत वेठीला कशी रे सुटावी आशा अवसेची रात नशिबाला पुनवेची गाठ पदराला होईल पुनव मनाशी जागव खचून जाऊ नको येईल मुठीत तुझ्याही आभाळ माघार घेऊ नको उगाच भयान वादळ वाऱ्याच्या पाऊल रोखू नको साध घाली दिस उद्याचा नव्याने सार गजल कालची रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे
सोबती रे तू तुझाच अंतुला तुझीच साथ शोधुनी तुझी तू वाट चाल एकला होऊ दे जरा उशीर सोडतोस काळ धीर रात संपता पहाट होईल रे पुन्हा
हो देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे